You want to become mentally unshakable? Stop chasing comfort. Start chasing construction. First, lift heavy, not for attention, for identity. Every rep teaches you not to fold under pressure. Second, train where your ego can lose. Martial arts, sparring, controlled combat. Nothing matures a man faster than being tested. Third, build endurance. Long runs, hard sessions, sustained effort, quitting screams. Endurance stays quiet. Fourth, choose discomfort on purpose. Cold showers, early mornings, difficult tasks. You don't break from discomfort, you adapt to it. Fifth, master coordination and patience. Learn an instrument, practice a precise skill. Control in small movements creates control in big moments. Sixth, spend time alone. No music, no scrolling, no distraction. If silence makes you anxious, you still depend on noise. Seventh, create something real. Wood, code, design, strategy. Building rewires confidence, consumption weakens it. Eighth, write daily. Clarity is power. A man who understands his own thoughts cannot be easily controlled. Ninth, face social fear, speak up, lead conversations. Courage grows when exposed. 10th, study perspective, history, philosophy, strategy. Motivation fades, understanding lasts. 11th, develop practical competence. Learn how to fix, how to navigate, how to solve. Capability builds quiet confidence. 12th, master boredom. Sit still without reaching for stimulation. If you always need noise, you're not strong, you're dependent. None of this is about looking powerful. It's about becoming powerful. Strength isn't built in comfort. It's forged in repetition of what's hard. And the more discomfort you choose, the less the world can shake you. No applause, no audience, no excuses. If you're ready to build real strength, comment, "I'm ready."